Actually, for a while I want to address the young man who is operating the audio-video camera, right? Why don't you put a stool there and sit while you take the audio-video? You know, I'm worried about your feet. The people who walk, they are tired much less than those who stand erect in one place. You know why? It is because the blood goes down and gradually settles down and puts a lot of pressure on feet. But when you are walking, it's constantly being pumped up again. So that is why it's very difficult to stand a sentry one place without moving. People sometimes drop like dead people, you know, like a stone they drop. So I don't want to happen this to you and others who operate the camera. You can't put the chair, no, there is not room enough. So put a small stool and sit on the stool while you operate. Explain this to you.